Welcome back to EMBL Design Studio. Today we'll be making a paper shamrock wreath. You will need 7 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. We will be trimming these sheets into 2-inch pieces along the longest side, which will give you 4 strips from each sheet of paper. For this project we used 3 different colors, plus an extra sheet for the stem. Now we will take one of the sets and cut 2 inches off, leaving us with a 9-inch strip. Then we will cut 4 inches off the second set, leaving us with a 7-inch strip. After cutting, you should have 8 sheets of 11-inch by 2-inch strips, 8 strips of 9-inch by 2-inch, and 8 strips of 7-inch by 2-inch, as well as an extra strip of each size for the stem, an 11, a 9, and a 7-inch strip. Now you will separate these into their piles: 2 11-inch strips, 2 9-inch strips, and 2 7-inch strips, with the 2 11s in the center, the 9s on either side, and then the 7 inches on the outer sides to create the petals. Now we will glue the center pieces together, though you can probably do this in whatever order you want, as long as you leave the 11-inch pieces in the center and then go in descending size so that both outsides have the 7-inch one. So just one line of hot glue down each will do this, and then you repeat this until you've created each folio of paper. Then you will take the smallest side and glue it down to create a loop like we did with the hearts earlier, and then the next sheet, and then the longest sheet. Then you will flip it over after you've pushed it down to make sure. Then you will flip it over and repeat this process on the next side. And this creates one of the clovers of the 4-leaf clover. After you've done this, you will repeat this on all 4 sets. Now we will work on the stem. You'll take the smallest piece and glue its ends, and then create a 1-inch crease at the bottom. Then you will take the 9-inch piece and glue both ends, and again lay it down to create creases to make another triangle. And then you will do this with the 11-inch piece, again gluing on both sides, and then folding the corners out to create the triangles. At this point you have it structurally. Now you need to glue the edges together. So you glue each edge down and press them together, careful not to burn yourself, and repeat this with all 4 of the clovers. And then you will add the bottom stem, and then add hot glue in the center and put the circle down to stabilize it. Then flip it over, making sure to add your hanging piece of thread at this point in time on the back side, and add a lot more hot glue and let it cool. And then once it's cool, you will have this wreath to hang up. Thank you for watching, and we hope you join us again next time.